Hey first graders, Mr. Ballin back here with the syringe. I hope you enjoyed watching Jared and his experiments with the balloons, the plastic bottles, and of course the trapped air. I've got trapped air again that I want to show you another thing that's with trapped air. So I'm back with the syringe again, and when I pull up the plunger, it is two parts. This part is called the plunger. This is the graduated cylinder, but because it has an end that the air can go in and out of, or liquid could go in and out of, it is called a syringe. So I'm going to put my plunger back in the syringe, and I've got another one that's even bigger, and this one has a plastic tube attached to the end of it. So again, it has the numbers on there, it has the plunger that goes up and down, and it has air in it right now. So I'm going to attach these two things together. Let's get some air out of that one. I'm going to make it so it doesn't have any air in it. And when I attach them together, I can take the air from the big plunger, the one over on this side, and when I squeeze that there, watch the other one. As I squeeze, the air from the big cylinder, big plunger, is going into the little one and moving the plunger up. I can put that air back over into the other one by pushing down over here, and I think you'll be able to see this if I do this right. If I pull on this one, it pulls that plunger in, so I can make it go without touching that plunger. I can get it to be moving. Same thing if I switch them around. I can make that little one go toward the end, and I can pull it back. Oh, I pulled it all the way back in. I can make it look like it's working. So hydraulics is what this system is called. And when we see the big cranes and the big diggers and things, and the guy inside is just moving some levers to get the diggers to work and the different devices to work that lift really heavy things, that system is called a hydraulic system that he's using in there. Just has to move little levers and it does some amazing work. They use liquid usually, not so much air, but it does work with air, as you can see that I'm doing right here. I'd like to show you one really fun thing that I like to do. If I can be strong enough to beat the air here, there we go, I pulled it all the way off. I'm going to open my plunger and trap as much air as I can in that one. And I'm going to put this plunger just inside the edge. So now I've got a whole lot of air trapped in there. And guess what will happen when I press down on the big one? I'm going to push all the air out of this one into this one, and guess what's going to happen to that plunger? Pop! Let's try that again. That is so much fun. So I trap some air in there, and I trap as much air as I can in this one, and here it comes. Let's see if I can shoot my camera. Push down on the plunger, pushes the air out of the big one into the little one, and pop! Oh, right at you. So using trapped air, we can do some amazing things. Air gets pushy. Pushed it right, the plunger, push the plunger right out of the syringe. I hope you enjoyed learning about air today.